Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to log in to your GetResponse account. Whether you're a new user or just need a refresher, this step-by-step tutorial will ensure you can access your account with ease. Step 1. Open your web browser. Start by launching your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. GetResponse works well with all major browsers, so choose the one you're most comfortable with. Step 2. Navigate to the GetResponse website. In the address bar, type in www.getresponse.com and press Enter. This will take you to the GetResponse homepage, where you can find various options related to email marketing, automation, and more. Step 3. Click on the Login button. Once you are on the GetResponse homepage, look for the Login button. It is usually located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on that button to proceed to the login page. Step 4. Enter your credentials. On the login page, you will see fields for your email address and password. Enter the email address associated with your GetResponse account in the first field. Then, type your password into the second field. Make sure there are no typos, as passwords are case sensitive. Step 5. Click Login. After you've entered your credentials, look for the Login button below the fields. Click on it to access your account. If your information is correct, you should be redirected to your GetResponse dashboard. Step 6. Troubleshooting login issues. If you happen to forget your password or encounter any issues while logging in, click on the Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the prompts to reset your password and regain access to your account. Step 7. Secure your account. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication through your account settings. This will provide an extra layer of protection for your account. Now you know how to log into your GetResponse account in just a few easy steps. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.